Have you ever felt like your mood is the key to unlocking your deepest desires? What if I told you that by shifting your emotional state, you can literally manifest your dreams into reality? Neville Goddard, a renowned spiritual teacher, discovered a powerful technique called Catch the Mood that can transform your life in just 7 days. This method taps into the profound connection between your emotions and your reality, allowing you to harness the power of your subconscious mind to manifest your deepest desires. Join me as we explore the secrets of this transformative technique and discover how you can unlock the full potential of your emotions to create the life you've always wanted. Neville Goddard was a visionary American philosopher and spiritual teacher who left an indelible mark on the New Thought movement. Born in Barbados in 1905, Neville's journey began in New York City, where he initially pursued a career in theater. However, it was his subsequent exploration of the human imagination that truly revealed his life's purpose. Neville believed in the law of assumption, a powerful principle stating that our outer world reflects our inner world. Essentially, by changing your emotional state and visualizing your desires as already achieved, you can manifest them into reality. So, what exactly is Catch the Mood? It's a key technique in Neville's teachings. The idea is to imagine yourself in the state of your desired outcome and maintain that feeling until it manifests in your physical reality. Sounds intriguing, right? The Catch the Mood technique is a key concept in Neville Goddard's teachings. It involves conceiving of a state, a feeling, or a mood and dwelling in that state until it becomes a physical fact. This technique is based on the idea that your mood is your point of attraction, and it is the level of vibration or frequency that you are operating in. Neville believed that if you are in a bad mood, you will attract bad experiences, and if you are in a good mood, you will attract good experiences. He advised his students to maintain a mental diet that supports their deepest desires, steering clear of negative thoughts and focusing on positive changes. This technique is designed to help you align your inner state with your outer reality, allowing you to manifest your desires more effectively. In Catch the Mood, Neville Goddard emphasizes the importance of feeling as if the wish is already fulfilled. He advises his students to imagine themselves already in the state they desire to be in and to maintain that feeling until it becomes a physical fact. This technique is powerful because it helps you focus on the emotions and sensations associated with your desired outcome, rather than just visualizing it. By doing so, you can create a positive and supportive environment that attracts the desired outcome. Neville Goddard believed that time in physical reality is a reflection of the time it takes for the inner world to fully manifest. So maintaining faith and focus while waiting for your manifestation can be challenging but is essential for the process. Here's how you can practice Catch the Mood. First, identify the mood you want to embody. Joy, confidence, abundance, you name it. This step is crucial because your mood sets the tone for the experiences you will attract. Take a moment to reflect on what you truly desire and the emotions that are associated with achieving that goal. Is it the joy of financial freedom, the confidence of professional success, or the peace of mind from harmonious relationships? Pinpointing the exact mood helps to create a clear and focused intention. Next, vividly imagine yourself in that state. This isn't just about thinking, it's about feeling as if your desire has already come to pass. Close your eyes and visualize the scene in as much detail as possible. If you're aiming for a promotion, picture yourself in your new office, confidently leading a meeting or receiving congratulations from your colleagues. The more detailed and specific your visualization, the more effective it will be. Immerse yourself in those sensations and emotions. Don't just see the images in your mind, feel them. How does it feel to be in that new office? Is there a sense of accomplishment, excitement, or contentment? Let those emotions wash over you as if you are living that reality right now. Engage all your senses. Hear the sounds around you, smell the scents, and notice the physical sensations. This deep emotional engagement is what makes the Catch the Mood technique so powerful. Identify the desired mood, clearly define the emotional state you want to achieve. Vividly imagine yourself in that state. Create a detailed mental image of your desired outcome. Immerse yourself in the associated emotions. Feel the emotions as if your desire has already manifested. Engage your senses to make it as real as possible. Use all your senses to enhance the realism of your visualization. Repeat this for 10-15 minutes per session. Consistency is key, so practice this daily. To enhance this practice, consider incorporating some supportive techniques. For instance, use affirmations that align with your desired mood. If your goal is to feel confident, repeat affirmations like, "I am confident and capable," or I attract success effortlessly. These positive statements can reinforce your visualization and help solidify the desired mood. Another tip is to create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals and the moods you want to embody. Place it somewhere you will see it daily, as it can serve as a visual reminder to maintain your focus and emotional state. Many people have found success with this technique. One woman shared that after a week of practicing Catch the Mood, she landed her dream job. She could feel the confidence and excitement during her visualizations, and soon her dream became reality. She described the experience as if the universe conspired to make everything fall into place. Her visualizations were so vivid and emotionally charged that when the opportunity arose, she was ready to seize it with confidence and enthusiasm. Experts agree that the connection between mood and manifestation is crucial. Psychologists and researchers have found that our emotions and moods play a significant role in shaping our reality. For instance, a study by the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, found that people who practiced gratitude and positive thinking experienced significant improvements in their mental health and well-being. Similarly, a study by the University of Michigan found that people who focused on their positive emotions and moods were more likely to achieve their goals and experience success. These findings support Neville Goddard's concept of catch the mood, which emphasizes the importance of aligning our emotions and moods with our desires. The spiritual significance of catching the mood lies in its ability to tap into the power of our subconscious mind. By focusing on a specific mood or emotion, we can reprogram our subconscious mind to attract similar experiences and outcomes. This practice aligns with broader spiritual and mystical traditions that emphasize the importance of mindfulness, visualization, and positive thinking. For instance, the law of attraction, as described by Neville Goddard, states that our thoughts and emotions attract similar experiences and outcomes. By catching the mood, we can harness the power of our subconscious mind to manifest our desires. Similarly, another individual used this technique to improve their health. By visualizing themselves as vibrant, energetic, and healthy, they were able to make better lifestyle choices that aligned with their vision. They started by picturing themselves waking up refreshed, full of energy, and eager to start the day. They imagined themselves enjoying physical activities, feeling strong and capable, and choosing nutritious foods that fueled their body. The vividness of these visualizations created a mental blueprint that guided their daily actions. They reported feeling more motivated to exercise and eat healthily, and within weeks, they noticed significant improvements in their overall well-being. Their energy levels increased, they slept better, and even their mental clarity and mood improved. This transformation didn't happen overnight, but was the result of consistent, dedicated practice of the catch the mood technique. Maintaining the desired mood can be challenging, especially when faced with negative circumstances or self-doubt. It's natural to encounter moments of frustration or skepticism. However, persistence is key. When you encounter setbacks, remind yourself that these are temporary and part of the process. Each challenge is an opportunity to strengthen your resolve and refine your visualization practice. Return to your visualization, strengthen your emotional connection, and trust that your outer reality will eventually align with your inner state. To stay motivated, you can keep a journal to track your progress. Write down your visualizations, the emotions you feel, and any positive changes you notice. This practice can help you stay focused and provide evidence of your growth, reinforcing your belief in the process. Additionally, consider setting small, achievable goals along the way. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how minor it may seem. These small victories will build momentum and keep you motivated. Remember, the catch the mood technique is not just about wishful thinking. It's about creating a new mental and emotional reality that naturally leads to the manifestation of your desires. By consistently practicing this method and fully immersing yourself in the desired mood, you align your energy with your goals, making it easier for them to materialize. It's about training your mind to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, shifting your entire mindset towards positivity and possibility. You might also find it helpful to surround yourself with supportive influences. Engage with a community of like-minded individuals who are also practicing the catch the mood technique. Share your experiences, offer encouragement, and learn from each other's successes and challenges. This sense of community can provide additional motivation and accountability. So, start practicing today. Set aside time each day for your visualizations, engage deeply with your emotions, and watch how your life begins to transform. Whether it's landing a dream job, improving your health, or achieving financial abundance, the catch the mood technique can help you manifest your deepest desires in just 7 days. Trust the process, stay consistent, and remember that your mood is your point of attraction. By cultivating the right mood, you can attract the life you've always dreamed of. See you in the next video.